Every 40 seconds, a car vanishes off the street. Could yours be next? Don't wait until it's too late. Today you're gonna learn 20 killer tactics. Some take just 1 second, others cost less than your morning coffee, that can make your car practically theft-proof. We're talking steering lock hacks, GPS tricks, kill switches, and even decoy devices that scare thieves away before they even touch your ride. Let's waste zero time and dive in tip number 20. Lock your steering wheel with a bar. Think old school is outdated, then think again. A simple steel steering wheel lock reduces your risk of theft by up to 50%. Why? Because even the smartest thieves can't bypass raw physics. Thieves can bypass alarms and start cars in seconds, but they can't steer past a big metal bar. It's simple, cheap, and fast. Brands like the Club cost under $30. Hook it on, turn the key, and you're done. No wiring, no tools. And the best part, it's visual. Park with the bar facing the window to ensure thieves see it before they reach the door. In a world of high-tech theft, this old school tool still wins. The moment a thief sees it through your windshield, they walk away. Tip number 19, never leave your car running unattended. Let's talk about one of the dumbest ways to lose your car. Thieves call it puffing. A running car with no driver is their dream setup. Thieves love it. Why? No keys needed, no noise, no forced entry, just hop in and drive off. Some states have even made it illegal to leave your car idling unattended because 1 in 4 stolen cars were left running. So what is the solution, you may ask? Using a remote starter that locks your doors. Or better yet, just shut off your engine anytime you're more than 5 feet away. Tip number 18, use a fake tire clamp or a real one. You've seen those big yellow clamps that scream "do not tow." Here's the trick. You can use them to fake out thieves. A tire clamp isn't just for parking tickets, it's one of the best theft stoppers you can use. Thieves see the metal clamp locked on your wheel and immediately move on. Visible deterrents like tire clamps prevent nearly half of theft attempts. The best part? You don't even need a real one to get results. A fake clamp or even a realistic sticker makes thieves think your car is protected. Buy a fake clamp for $20, slap it on your wheel, and bam! Your car looks like it's either under surveillance or immobile. Tip number 17, turn your wheels. When you park, thieves want quick getaways. If your wheels are turned sharply, they can't just roll your car away. Towing becomes harder too. The crooked wheels force them to straighten them first, and that takes extra time they don't want to spend. This works especially well on hills or when parking next to curbs. Turn your wheels toward the curb when facing downhill and away when facing uphill. Now your car won't roll even if someone tries to move it. Tip number 16, pull the fuel pump fuse. Imagine a thief jumps in, starts your car, and it dies 10 feet later. That's what happens when you pull the fuel pump fuse. Just pop the hood and locate your fuse box, usually near the battery or driver's side fender. Use the diagram on the fuse box cover or your owner's manual to find the fuel pump fuse, usually labeled FP. Pull it out and take it with you. Your car might start, but it won't run. Thieves don't carry spare fuses. They'll ditch the car fast. This trick takes under a minute and makes your car nearly impossible to steal. Just remember to pop the fuse back in before you drive. Tip number 15, install a GPS tracker with geofencing. A GPS tracker hides in your car and lets you track it from your phone in real time. If your vehicle moves without permission, you'll get an instant alert. Geofencing lets you draw a virtual fence around your home, work, or school. If your car leaves that zone, your phone notifies you instantly. Trackers like the Spytech GL300 or Landair C54 cost around $25. They're easy to hide under a seat. No wiring needed. Police recover 9 out of 10 stolen cars with trackers. Without one, your odds drop to 4 out of 10. Some GPS trackers even offer engine shutoff. Tip number 14, add a hidden kill switch. A kill switch is a secret button that cuts power to your car. Even with your keys, the engine won't start unless you flip the switch. Mechanics can install one for about $100. Hide it where only you know, under the seat, in the glove box, or behind a panel. Thieves will turn the key and get nothing. It works because most thieves don't have time to search for hidden switches. They want fast getaways. Choose between the fuel pump and starter circuit switches. Fuel pump ones work best. The car might crank but won't run. Either way, it's a cheap trick that makes your car nearly theft-proof. Tip number 13, install an OBD port lock. Your car's OBD2 port is a goldmine for thieves. With the right tool, they can plug in, reprogram a blank key fob, and drive off, especially in under 90 seconds. Scary, right? An OBD port lock is a physical cover that blocks access to this port completely. Some models even let you move the port entirely, so the thief plugs into a dummy while your real one stays hidden. No access to the OBD port means no quick cloning and no fast theft. If you drive a push-start vehicle, this is a must-have defense line most people never even think about. Tip number 12, mount a fake blinking dash. Cam thieves hate cameras, especially ones they think are watching them 24/7. That's why this trick works like a charm. Grab a fake dash cam with a blinking red LED, just $15, and mount it where it's clearly visible, like the top center of your windshield. The flashing light makes it look like the camera is recording everything. And guess what? Most thieves won't take the risk. They're not gonna stick around to find out whether it's real or not. Add a "Smile, you're on camera" sticker near it for extra intimidation, and combine this trick with an alarm sticker. To a car thief, your ride now looks like Fort Knox. The best part? These decoys are battery powered and require zero wiring. They'll keep flashing for weeks without any attention. Cheap, easy, and it might just be the $15 that saves your car from being stolen. Tip number 11, keep your key fob in a Faraday box. Modern cars use keyless entry. Great for convenience, but bad for security. Thieves use cheap relay devices to capture and boost your key fob's wireless signal, even through walls. They can unlock and start your car in seconds without ever breaking in. That's where a Faraday pouch comes in. It's lined with signal blocking metal that shields your key from wireless theft. Drop your fob in as soon as you get home, park at work, or stop anywhere for a while, and you're protected. You can get a good one for under $10. Tip number 10, keep valuables out of sight and leave it looking empty. Even if your car is locked and alarmed, a purse, laptop bag, or even a phone mount can tempt a break-in. Criminals don't always come for the car, they come for what's in it. So here's the strategy. Leave absolutely nothing visible, not even a cable. Tidy center consoles, empty cup holders, and no bags in the footwells. The cleaner and emptier your car looks, the less appealing it becomes. Bonus moves? Leave glove boxes open when parked to show there's nothing inside. Thieves are opportunists. They want quick rewards. Give them nothing, and they'll move on. Tip number 9, install hood locks. If someone's popping your hood, it's not to admire your engine. They're going for the kill. Hot wiring a car is old school, but if your hood is easy to pop, thieves can still bypass your battery, disable alarms, or yank out your GPS tracker. And guess what? All that starts under the hood. That's where a hood lock steps in. A simple but brutal barrier. Once it's in place, the only way into your engine bay is with the key or remote release. And most of these locks bolt directly into your chassis, making it a real pain to break or bypass. Tip number 8, use license plate locks with a twist. While anti-theft screws are a good start, here's a smarter move. Add license plate locks with hidden release mechanisms. These aren't just to stop plate theft, they help prevent cloning, a trick where thieves copy your plate and put it on a stolen car to avoid detection. Advanced plate locks make it nearly impossible to remove your plates without the key or a tool. You can also get tamper-evident plates that break or mark when removed. Remember, thieves don't just want your car, they want its identity. Protect your plate and you protect more than just the bolts. Tip number 7, disconnect the battery for long-term parking. Leaving your car parked for more than a few days. Don't just lock it and walk away. Disconnect the battery. It turns your vehicle into a brick. No power, no electronics, no chance for thieves to start it or bypass your alarm system. This is especially useful if you're heading to the airport, going on vacation, or storing a project car for the winter. All it takes is a wrench and 20 seconds. Pop the hood, loosen the negative terminal, and remove the cable, and you're done. Just be aware that some of your car settings, like radio presets or clock, may reset, but that's a tiny price to pay for peace of mind. Thieves want quick hits. If your car doesn't even have power, they'll leave it alone. Combine this trick with steering wheel locks, and you've just built a fortress on 4 wheels. Tip number 6, use VIN etching in unusual places. Most people only get their VIN etched on the windshield, but pros take it further. Etch your VIN on hidden or expensive parts like the catalytic converter, engine block, battery housing, or even inside inside your door sills. This doesn't just help recover stolen cars, it makes your vehicle far less attractive to thieves in the first place. Why? Because chopping and parting out a car becomes way riskier when every component is traceable. You can even use invisible UV pens for some etching, giving law enforcement a hidden edge. Smart, cheap, and highly underrated, thieves love expensive wheels. And if your car is sitting on alloys or custom rims, they might not steal the car, but they'll definitely jack the wheels. Prevent that with a simple wheel lock set. These look like regular lug nuts but require a special key to remove. Without it, stealing the wheels is nearly impossible, even with a jack and impact wrench. Wheel locks cost $20 and install in minutes. Most sets come with 4 locking nuts, 1 for each wheel, and 1 key that fits your car's tire iron. Pro tip, don't leave the key in the glove box. That's the first place a thief will check. Hide it somewhere else in the car or keep it with you. Even if you use factory wheels, these locks are a smart upgrade. They not only protect your rims, they keep your whole car from being lowered onto cinder blocks overnight. Tip number 4, beware of fake tow trucks and confidence scams. This one's wild and becoming way too common. Some thieves don't even try to sneak in. They use confidence scams. Fake tow trucks with no markings will pull into parking lots and start loading up cars like it's legit. By the time someone questions it, they're gone. Other times, a scammer might approach you saying they're a valet, parking official, or even a cop. The fix? Stay sharp. Never hand over your keys unless you're absolutely sure who you're dealing with. Real tow truck drivers should show ID and paperwork. If you're unsure, call your insurance or local police. Don't let anyone hook your car or demand your keys unless you initiated the request. These bold scams are built on one thing: your trust. Don't give it. If something feels off, it probably is. Trust your gut and never give away your keys unless you're 100% certain. Tip number 3, install a two-way security system. With remote alert standard alarms, don't cut it anymore. Thieves know most people ignore them completely. Two-way systems are different. When someone touches your car, you get an instant notification on your phone or key fob. Better systems even send live video to your phone. You get alerts up to a mile away, and some can even disable your car remotely. Most importantly, they work silently, so thieves have no idea they've been detected until police arrive. This technology costs $200 to $400 installed, but it's like having a bodyguard for your car 24/7. When a thief triggers your system, you know immediately. Not your neighbors, not random passers-by, you. Tip number 2, park smart, not just anywhere. The number 1 place cars get stolen: dark, isolated parking spots. Park in well-lit areas with security cameras and high-foot traffic. Better yet, back into parking spaces for quick exits and better visibility. In parking garages, choose spots near exit booths or elevators where people constantly walk by. On streets, park near restaurants or businesses that stay open late. At home, use motion-activated floodlights that illuminate your driveway. Professional thieves scope locations first. They want secluded spots with easy getaways. Give them the opposite: maximum visibility and witnesses. This tactic costs nothing but dramatically cuts your theft risk by nearly 60%. Tip number 1, create a layered security system. The absolute best protection isn't one solution, it's layers. Combine physical barriers with electronic security and smart habits. Start with steering wheel locks and tire clamps as visible deterrents. Add hidden kill switches and GPS trackers as technical barriers. Then incorporate smart practices like VIN etching and strategic parking. The average thief encounters one security measure and moves on. 3 layers, they'll never even try. Professional thieves can bypass any single defense, but nobody wants to defeat multiple systems for a single car. Each layer adds precious time, and time is a thief's worst enemy. A layered approach turns your car from an easy target into a complete waste of time. So there you go, 20 tactics. Some take a second, some cost a few bucks. All of them turn your car into a nightmare for thieves. Which one will you start using today? Drop your favorite tactic down in the comments. And if you've got a tip we missed, share it. We might feature you in the next video. Smash that like button if you learned something. Subscribe for more no BS car advice. And remember, a protected car is a smart car. Stay sharp, stay safe.